Today, we're diving into Aconvert, a popular online document and file conversion tool that offers a variety of features to convert files across different formats quickly and conveniently. The website interface is simple and straightforward, with different categories for document, image, video, audio, and archive conversions. It supports an impressive range of formats, making it a versatile option for users with diverse file conversion needs. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice the minimalistic design. Everything is clearly laid out, allowing you to start converting files right away. You simply select the file you want to convert, choose the output format, and click Convert. The process is quick, but the site speed can vary depending on the size of your file and internet connection. What I like about Aconvert is the ease of use and the fact that it's free. The tool is effective for simple conversions, especially when you need something converted on the go. However, the free version does have limitations. You can only upload files up to 200 megabytes, which might be a setback if you are working with larger files. Additionally, it does not offer batch conversion unless you are willing to split files manually or process them one at a time. Security is another area to consider. Since Aconvert is a web-based tool, uploading sensitive or confidential documents might not be the best idea. It's always good to double-check the privacy policies when using online services like this. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the positive side, Aconvert supports a large variety of formats and handles them quite well. The converted files are generally of decent quality, and the process is quick. But the lack of advanced features, like OCR or editing capabilities, can be a deal breaker for those needing more than just basic conversion. Overall, Aconvert is a solid choice for straightforward file conversion tasks. It's free, simple, and works well for basic needs. However, if you're looking for something more robust, you might need to explore other tools. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experiences.